This was just another thing I was doing on my hair and my face or whatever. Just trying to get the full benefits to the products I was putting in my hair that I was using at the time. The results I got in a few days, you have to use raw unfiltered honey. This is the only way possible to get all the benefits. Yes, you can add other things to it if you want, depending on your skin type. But I just use raw unfiltered honey and it really helped my skin out. On like the second day and my skin was already clearing, as you can see. Not as many pimples as before. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all used to use for y'all skin before this video. Drop it on TikTok, it don't matter. Just let me know what y'all used to use for y'all skin or y'all face.
Give us some, I guess, I don't know what you want to call it.
Get a little heat.
Not professional. Just do what I was, taught off of YouTube. All you gotta do really is rinse your face with water first. And tap it off. Then you sample it, get your little honey. Pour a good amount on your hand. About that much, somewhere around those areas. That's just me. Everybody got different sizes. If you got a big head, put it a little. If you got a small head, put it a little. Simple. You might not understand it, but you will understand. And yeah, you'll see the future results really soon.
These the future results I was talking about. As you can see, barely no pimples on my face. My skin is as clear as can be. Especially in this picture right here, my skin is glowing. Plus the sunlight, but you barely can see pimples on my face. Just a closer up picture, and stuff like that. Just continue to use the honey, and you'll see results quicker than you think. It's your boy, Reach. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.